And so kēhtāwisowin really speaks to this ability for our young people to be wise.
I was overwhelmed with emotion. Affinity Credit Union was one of the first credit unions in Canada to sign on to the Truth and Reconciliation Commission's calls to action. And part of that is developing a roadmap to guide our activities, to guide our values, and to really inform how we're going to work with Indigenous peoples and really create some change. And when the Greater Saskatoon Catholic Schools came to us with this opportunity, the fact that it was to preserve Cree culture and language was just, that just hit it for us.
There's been such incredible work that's been done with the partnerships for St. Francis Cree Bilingual School, and this partnership of $250,000 donation by Affinity Credit Union is going to ensure that our STEAM lab is state-of-the-art.
It's really almost like a maker space. It'll have all of the provisions to really let the kids do what they want to do.
I knew there was an announcement, but I didn't think it was going to be this amount. $250,000 to get our children to be scientists, astronauts, professionals is amazing. It's filling our hearts with gratitude knowing that a business and a company wants to help our Aboriginal society, helping our education, wanting our children to learn. That's what it's all about.
There are endless possibilities, and that's what we want to give the students here at St. Francis, those endless possibilities. And Affinity Credit Union has given us that opportunity to do so. And so we're so thankful for the partnership and for them believing in St. Francis and believing in the division and the work that we're doing to ensure that this incredible Cree bilingual language school, the biggest in the world, has all the opportunities they possibly can.
Aboriginal and non-Aboriginal coming together, and this is what it's about, truth and reconciliation.